Good morning, my condoritos. I hope you guys are having a great day. Look at this beautiful location. I still can do speed runs here. So I'm very fortunate, and I came to make another speed run today. And this is for the Arrma Senton, as you saw on my thumbnail, because we did change the pinion gear to 20 teeth from the 16th to the 20th after I failed to install the 26th. Everything else is original. We have not been able to reach 50 miles an hour. The most I could get was 48 miles per hour on regular stock settings. And now we are going to test the 20 to pass the 50 miles per hour goal. And that is very doable due to the fact that we have 4 more teeth, and that means more speed. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you watch this video, please help me. I need to get to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you and have a blessed day. Arrma Senton 223S with 20 teeth. Pinion gear. Let's get it, baby. Hold on. DS. Then let me put the DS. 3. There you go. Should be really good now. That is definitely faster than 50. Again, guys. All right, guys. All right, guys. It looks like we went faster than 50. I don't know. All right, guys. Here we got and read 54 miles an hour. Okay. So we finally passed the 50 miles range, and I think I can do it a little better because on the first round I did not activate the GPS. Right, guys, let's get it done again. And read 51, so 54 is the number. And now we're gonna try with the Avonic pack. Okay, guys, let's change the battery from the CNHL to the Avonic. I think I'm gonna make it a little faster with the Avonic, and the reason why is the first 3 or 4 rounds with this one, which is where the battery has a full energy, I did not record the speed with the GPS, so it's completely my fault, my bad, my responsibility. So thanks God that I tried. I got another pack here, and I'm gonna be,
using this Avonic pack. That way I can actually measure the speed correctly from the get-go. Because when you're running speed test and then first, I don't understand this. Some people, they just start at 50%. If you are really trying to record a performance, you need to go 100% right off the bat. So I was saying that if you are planning to do a speed run, you are afraid to go full 100%, then your reading is not going to be accurate at all. Because the battery in the first punch is where you have 100% of the charge. It's where we want to measure the full potential of the battery and the car. So otherwise, it's just going to give you 95% maybe or less. So that's what we don't want, right? So I'm just saying, just throwing that out. Track, start, reading, okay? Now let's put the phone here to record. Righty guys, now we got the Avonic pack here. We're going to be making the speed run for the Arrma Senton. Thank you.
The owner of the property put a complaint.
Oh really?
They done about 2 weeks ago.
Oh really?
Because you still done?
Yeah, but that's not me.
No, I know.
This is just a little car.
But people gonna mess for everything.
I saw that when I got here. That's crazy.
And the guy say, the owner of the property say, no.
That's his right. I get it.
Fill it up with fast letter. I say, whatever it is, I don't know what.
No, you're not gonna see me here anymore. Don't worry. I'll just go to the street. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day. Righty guys, we are right here. We're gonna make the pass in this long street, racing our little boy here on a Avonic battery. Righty guys, we are. One. Right guys, now let's check the speed. Let's check. So wait and read 53, so 54 miles per hour. I think with the CNHL, but I'm gonna try it again. Just try it again. Right guys, now let's check the speed. Let's check. And read 52, so 54 with this pack is the fastest. And I'm pretty happy with that. 54 miles an hour on this big car is good. It's good. It's good. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, after the speed run, we got 54 miles per hour, and that is 6 miles per hour more. And compared to the stock Pinion that was 16 teeth, this is a 20th. So 20 teeth for what, 8 more miles per hour? That's a lot. So 54 on the Senton stocks electronics. Now, I am gonna run that on 4S soon to see if I get to 60 with 4S. Now I gotta lower a little bit the C rating because it's not recommended trying a like 3S car, which is the ESC could run a 4S, but it's not meant and built for 4S. It's not recommended to go over 50C. That matters when you're doing that.
If the car is 4S, built for it, it's okay. But now, that's what we're doing. Thank you for watching, my Condoritos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Help me to get to 1,000 subscribers. Have a wonderful day.
Thanks for watching through to the very end. I truly appreciate the time you spent. You stay all the way, that means a lot to me. From the bottom of my heart, I'm glad you're here with me. I appreciate your time, RC cars for life. I truly appreciate every minute you gave. Thanks for watching, my friend. See you on the next one. I love these RC cars, the speed returns the race. Till next time, take care and keep that fire in your place.